Welcome students. So now we are going to discuss about file organization. As you know, you learned how to sorting, how to searching, how to hashing. So various techniques we learned so far, but it is somewhat different compared to the previous topics. So actually the data structure is we discussed about arrangement of data in linear and non-linear. But a file organization is a different concept. Here, how the files will be stored. What is mean by files? So files is nothing but set of records. Records in the nothing but generally we take the some files. The file will be having the papers. Okay, that is called if the file consists of set of papers. So like that, here file is consist of the definition itself shows the file is a sequence of records. Okay, don't confuse records is nothing but some information. Okay, so file organization is classified into three categories: sequential file organization, direct file organization, and indexed sequential file organization. So let us going to discuss about one after another. And before going to that, the main theme of this file organization is how to arrange the files. Okay, so before going to this topic we have to having the minimum knowledge on linear searching and hash functions, how it is inserting the element into the hash. Those topics we are going to touch a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to enter the actual topic: sequential file organization. So the definition, the name itself, the sequential file organization is, it seems like the all the records are stored in the sequential order. Okay, you know very well sequential means one after another. Okay, like you can insert the elements in one after another, like that same thing. So nothing is different, just terminologies differ. And linear search, arrangement of data in linear form, what we learned so far, same thing we are implementing here. Just remember, only terminology is differ, everything is same. So don't confuse, don't feel difficult. It is a easy topic. It's a totally theory, there is no practical implementation on it. It's a just application oriented. Okay, what we learned so far, how can implement those concept in file organization techniques. Okay, so in the file organization, stored in key sequence is in order, which order we are store the elements in generally arrays: 0 1 2 3, like that we can insert the elements in order. That's it. See the figure, record 1 is stored, just assume it is element. Okay, element 1, element 2, add so on element n. As seen the figure, the elements should be stored in one after another. Okay, there is no insertion of element in between of two records. Either if you insert the elements only at the end of the list, there is no possible to insert the element at any position. Keep it mind, the name itself is say that sequential, only you can arrange the data in sequential order. Next, come to the second point: adding deleting requires making a new file. Okay, nothing, that is meaning of that, we cannot able to insert new file in between, but we can modify already existing files. Okay, here one flexibility is there. Okay, we are not able to record 3 with record 4, it is not possible. But record 2 we can copy the record 4 data. That means we can do some slight modification, it is allowed, but totally the name is not to change to any of the another sequence number. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, next, use as a master file. The master file is set of total overall file. Okay, it is a collection of records. Okay, next, Come to the fourth point. Records in these files can only be read or written sequentially. Okay, there is no randomly search the element and read the element. There is no possibility. Okay, you should follow. If you want to read fourth record, there is no directory to read fourth record. Go for one, go for two, go for third record, then only go for fourth record. And write operation in the sense, if you want enter the new record, which is the last place after ending of the file, which is the last place, then only we can write. And then only reading also same thing. There is no direct accessing of any element. You can go one after another sequentially. Okay, so that is the main theme of a sequential file organization. So come to that advantages. It is a simple to program and easy to design. As we know very well about how the linear search is, how to search the element, how to read, searching in the sense how to read in the file organization. Searching we are called as a linear search, but same searching operation we are called as here reading. Reading. Okay, read the data. Okay, so it is simple to program and easy to design. Okay, next. Sequential file is best used if the storage space. Okay, that means if you store the data in random locations in the memory, the next coming data, we don't know exactly where we can place that, where we want to place. Because of which location we store the data, we don't know. Suddenly, some data is arrived where we can store. So that confusion is not happen in the sequential. Because of if you want to store the fifth record, the place is reserved after 4. If you want to store the sixth record, place is reserved for sixth record after 5. So there is no confusion at all. So directly you can search one after another, which is the last record. After that, we can store the next coming record. That's it. That is a simple way to linear sequential file arguments. Come to the disadvantages. Every concept having some drawbacks. Sequential file is a time consuming process. As we discussed so far, if you search the 10th record, there is no possibility to search 10th record directly. Say first go for 1, 2, 3, 4, then only you can search the 10th record. Okay, so there is no possible to search directly 10th record. Okay, so that is a problem with the time consuming process. Next is it is high data redundancy. Redundancy is some one new word that is we uh, we not learned so far from previous topics. Redundancy is a duplicates. This is also called as a replication. Okay, so it is high redundancy. That means which data we stored, we cannot check whether it is a duplicate data or unique data. We didn't check. We can directly store the data as per the instruction by the master file. Next, random searching is not possible. As I said earlier, there is no possible to search particular element directly. If you want to search the 10th record, there is no directly go to 10th position. You can go first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then only you can find out the 10th. So that's why the second point said high, sorry, the first point says time consuming process. So this is about